Welcome everyone. Are you curious about which countries combine innovation, infrastructure, and affordability? This is Advent Traveler, and today, we're diving into the 10 most developed countries to live in for 2024. These nations excel in healthcare, education, and technology, with affordable living costs that make them accessible for many. They rank high on the Human Development Index, a global measure of life expectancy, education, and income. Don't forget to subscribe and join us as we uncover these world-class destinations. Let's dive right in. From bustling urban centers to serene countryside retreats, these countries offer a diverse range of living experiences. Whether you're looking for top-notch education, cutting-edge healthcare, or a vibrant cultural scene, you'll find it here. Stay tuned as we explore what makes these countries stand out and why they are the best places to call home in 2024. Norway. What makes Norway a top contender? With its advanced economy and unmatched quality of life, Norway leads the HDI rankings. This Scandinavian country boasts free healthcare and education, robust infrastructure, and a commitment to sustainability. The picturesque landscapes and safety only add to its appeal. If you're looking for a place where innovation meets serenity, Norway might be your dream destination. Norway is not just about modernity, it also cherishes its rich cultural heritage. Imagine witnessing the northern lights from a cozy cabin, a truly magical experience. The coastline offers abundant opportunities for fishing and maritime activities, and for winter sports enthusiasts, the ski resorts are world-class. The festive spirit during holidays is heartwarming, making it a perfect place for family celebrations. Whether you prefer the bustling cities or the tranquil countryside, Norway has something for everyone. Switzerland. Why do so many expats choose Switzerland? With a stable economy, cutting-edge technology, and excellent public services, Switzerland offers a perfect mix of opportunity and comfort. Its cities are clean and well-connected, and its residents enjoy one of the highest life expectancies in the world. The stunning Alps and vibrant multicultural scene make it even more enticing. Switzerland is also known for its high-quality healthcare and education systems, which contribute to the overall well-being of its residents. The country's efficient public transportation and safe, picturesque neighborhoods make daily life convenient and enjoyable. Whether you're drawn by the career opportunities or the natural beauty, Switzerland has something to offer everyone. Ireland. Could Ireland be Europe's hidden gem? This rapidly developing nation is renowned for its thriving tech industry and excellent education system. Affordable living outside major cities and a welcoming culture make Ireland a top choice. Plus, its breathtaking countryside offers endless adventures. The rich cultural heritage, from traditional music to historic landmarks, adds to its charm. Ireland also boasts a vibrant culinary scene, with modern cuisine and farm-to-table dining experiences. Coastal towns and fishing villages provide a serene escape from urban life. Festivals and local celebrations like St. Patrick's Day bring communities together in joyous harmony. Germany. What's the secret behind Germany's success? Known for its efficient infrastructure and innovation, Germany ranks high in education and job opportunities. From bustling cities like Berlin to charming villages, the cost of living is surprisingly affordable for the quality of life offered. The country also boasts beautiful landscapes and a rich cultural heritage. Festivals and local cuisine add to the vibrant lifestyle. With a top-notch healthcare system and an excellent public transportation network, Germany ensures a high quality of life for its residents. Innovation and technology continue to drive the nation forward, making it a great place for both work and study. Australia. Is Australia more than just stunning beaches? Absolutely. Australia combines natural beauty with a strong economy and top-tier education. Its healthcare system is world-class, and cities like Melbourne and Sydney are hubs for innovation and culture. The laid-back lifestyle is a major bonus. From the vibrant outback to the Great Barrier Reef, adventure awaits at every corner. Australia's unique wildlife and vast national parks offer endless exploration. The country also boasts a rich cultural scene with festivals and events year-round. Whether you're surfing the waves or enjoying a barbecue with friends, Australia offers a lifestyle like no other. Canada. Why is Canada a favorite for expats? Its universal healthcare, diverse culture, and excellent quality of life are hard to beat. With affordable housing in smaller cities and opportunities in industries like tech and healthcare, Canada promises stability and growth. Education is another strong point with world-class universities and research facilities. Plus, the natural beauty of its national parks and outdoor activities make it a paradise for nature lovers. Efficient public transportation and a safe environment add to the appeal. Vibrant festivals and a lively nightlife ensure there's always something to do. Whether it's winter sports or summer adventures, Canada offers a balanced lifestyle for everyone. Sweden. What makes Sweden stand out? Renowned for its social welfare system, Sweden offers free education and exceptional healthcare. Its green initiatives and work-life balance are envied worldwide. If you value equality and sustainability, Sweden could be the perfect fit. The country is also known for its rich cultural heritage and innovative spirit. From efficient public transportation to vibrant festivals, Sweden offers a high quality of life. Whether you enjoy exploring nature, indulging in culinary delights, or participating in community events, Sweden has something for everyone. Its commitment to environmental sustainability and social equality makes it a top choice for those seeking a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Netherlands. How does the Netherlands keep improving? With efficient public transportation, progressive policies, and a strong economy, this country offers a high standard of living. Its cities are bike-friendly, and the Dutch commitment to work-life balance is remarkable. The Netherlands is also known for its innovative approach to sustainability, with numerous green initiatives and renewable energy projects. Education and healthcare systems are top-notch, ensuring a high quality of life for its residents. The cultural scene is vibrant, with world-class museums, festivals, and a rich history. Whether you're exploring the picturesque canals of Amsterdam or the charming countryside, the Netherlands offers a unique blend of modernity and tradition. New Zealand. Could New Zealand's natural beauty be matched by its development? With a thriving economy and excellent public services, New Zealand offers a relaxed yet high-quality lifestyle. The cost of living is reasonable, especially in smaller towns, and the natural landscapes are unparalleled. Education in New Zealand is top-notch, with world-class universities and schools. The country is also a hub for innovation, with a growing tech industry and numerous startups. Rich in culture and outdoor activities, New Zealand provides a vibrant and fulfilling lifestyle for its residents. Japan. What sets Japan apart in terms of development? Combining ancient traditions with futuristic innovation, Japan offers world-class infrastructure and healthcare. The education system is excellent, and cities like Tokyo and Osaka are global hubs. Despite its fast-paced life, Japan remains surprisingly affordable in many areas. The natural beauty of Japan is breathtaking, from the serene countryside to the iconic cherry blossoms. The culinary scene is another highlight, offering a blend of traditional and modern flavors. Cultural festivals and events are celebrated with great enthusiasm, adding to the vibrant lifestyle. The sense of community and respect for others is deeply ingrained in Japanese society. From the majestic Mount Fuji to meticulously maintained gardens, Japan is a land of contrasts and harmony. That wraps up our journey through the 10 most developed countries to live in for 2024. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to check out other videos on my channel for more insights on living and traveling worldwide. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next adventure.